Good morning. Let's return the problem of the communication. Now we are taking care of this problem from the point of view of the micro entrepreneur. Let's assume that you are a micro entrepreneur and you need to update some of the technologies inside of your company. Let's suppose that you are trying to install a new air conditioner, or maybe you are trying to replace your fleet of delivery trucks, or maybe you need CRM software, or maybe you need to do business intelligence in your company, or maybe you are trying to replace your local area network, or maybe you need security cameras, or you want to install magnetic resonance device, or maybe you need a pack software for all the modalities, including the magnetic resonance and the CT scan and the ultrasounds and etc. Or maybe you need an accounting software. Any option is possible. But the important thing here is you need a technology and you are not an expert in that specific technology. So the problem starts when you go to the market and you ask the question, what is the best technological solution for my company? What you will find is every one of all the possible vendors on the market will give you the same answer. The best solution is mine. I have the best solution for you. So you are in exactly the same spot. You start, you don't know which of them should you choose. And it's important to choose the best solution, not the best salesperson. Sometimes a better salesperson will convince you to buy the product, but it's not the best product. It's the best salesperson, it's the best vendor, it's the best speaker. It's not the same. Let's suppose that you need to buy a new pickup truck, and you go to a Ford dealer. The Ford dealer will analyze your needs, and maybe the result will be the best solution you need is an F-150 truck. That's obvious. That Ford vendor never will suggest you that the best solution is a Chevrolet Cheyenne or a Toyota Tacoma. That will never happen because they are competitors. They will offer their solution. So even if the vendor is making the best to offer the best solution, is restricted to their own brand and to their own products. So you are exactly in the same position that you will start. You have several different products and you don't know which one is the best for you because you are not an expert in that specific technology. So this is the moment where it could be possible, could be interesting that we integrate into the equation to a technology consultant. The technology consultant can do that work for you to do the technology research, to acquire all the data and make the comparisons. These persons can do the situation analysis, the SWOT analysis, the vendor comparison, the product comparison that is different. Vendor and product are different. The product comparison, maybe do the all the Kotrina roadmap that already exists, this technology that already exists. Make a product comparison, can compare specifications and do a ponderation about how important is every specification for your specific needs, and finalize with a table with the colors making difference between important specification, indifferent specification, negative specifications, in order you can find the best product for your needs. Now, what is better, to hire an external consultant per event, or to hire a new technology research director and a team of people working for that director? So a technology research direction or area, or managing area of that kind of things. The answer is depends on how big is your company. At the very beginning, the best you can do is to hire per event an external consultant only when you need it, when you are updating or upgrading your technology. But as soon as your company is growing, that needs will be more common and more common and more common. So in the moment, the cost of the pay per event of the external consults will be equal or higher than the amount of money you will need to pay in payroll for a group, for a team of experts in technologies that will be one director and several engineers in different technologies like electronics and I don't know, the different technologies in your company you have. At the moment, this is greater than the payroll. It's a time to hire people to create a new uh, technology research direction. That's that's the final solution. So I hope this information can help you, and we will be very happy to help you in anything you need. Thanks so much.